Hello and welcome. My name is Ihab. I'm the founder of iHubs Training. In today's video, it is time for an honest review of New Zenler and using New Zenler for your course platform and your funnel platform and also your email marketing platform. As I think this is some pros and cons, but you need to know before you make your decision. As there are many learning management systems in the market like Thinkfic, Kajabi, Teachable. But in my experience, this is the best choice for me right now. That's why I build all my courses on Zenler. In today's video, we're gonna see the most important features of Zenler and we compare between the two plans that they have, Pro and Premium. And then we're gonna have a look on this practically. Then we're gonna have a comparison between New Zenler and Kajabi, Teachable, and Thinkfic. Let's start. First, your site will look like that. Your domain.newzenler.com till you buy your own domain, your custom domain, then you can link that to the site. As you see, here is the most important feature on the top right, which is live. We have live class with your current student. You have live interactive webinars, which will replace Zoom. You have ability to have up to 300 students with 100 sessions, each session from 1.5 hours up to 4 hours. This is in the Pro plan. In the Premium plan, you will have up to 500 students and up to 300 sessions, each session between 1.5 up to 4 hours. Plus, you have the live stream. You will have live stream on Facebook and YouTube. In the branding, you can choose your logo, your favicon, your themes, and so on. On pages, you will have all the pages that you have on the site, like homepage, all courses, privacy, and so on. Plus blog. You can create your own blog. As you know, blog now is very important. Your student can share with you. Also, you can change the language of display. Different languages are available. In some countries, if they need to calculate the tax as a part of the cost of the course, there is one module for that. There is very important part about integration as well. So your student can pay online using Stripe, PayPal. In India, they have Razor Pay, and you have a lot of integration between Zenler and the other softwares as well. Then here you have media library. All the videos that you have uploaded before, it will be available here for another usage. Also, you have the roles, site admins, the instructors, the students, all the roles which will share in the site. The other important feature in Zenler is the courses. So you can build your course, you can have bundles, you can compose more than one course in one bundle, so students will have less price if they buy the full bundle. Then you can have categories, so you can categorize courses as per common features between them. The assignments for the students, the coupons that you can share coupons so students can get some discounts in some seasons. Instructors, you have the page of instructors. Each instructor will have his own account. You have you can enroll students as well. You can see the reviews from students. You can get certificates. You have some templates of certificates that you can choose from. Then the good thing also, you have reports, so you can see what happened with your students, who started, and what the progress of the students, what quiz results and surveys. The important feature also is marketing funnels. So you can start, for example, here, this is very important. So you have the lead magnet. This is the page where you will put your form to collect customer data and offer them freebies, ebook or videos and so on. For example, you have these 7 themes, you can choose from them. Just an example. Here is the opt-in page and the thank you page. So you can change the text, you can collect email, customer name, so you can build your own email listing. Another wow feature is the email broadcasting. You can create your own email listing, and after that you can broadcast using automation. So you can send it to your students regular emails. Also here you have community, like Facebook community. It will be only for the students. So students will share ideas with the instructors, and it will be only for the community of your website. This was brief about new Zenler practical features. Here we will see the comparison between Zenler, Thinkfic, Teachable, and Kajabi. As you will see, we have live stream to Facebook and YouTube, live class, live interactive webinar, Pagebuilder, blog, courses, funnels, your branding and white labeling. You can put your own brand and remove the Zenler logo from the site. Assignments, media type, bulk upload. You can upload all your videos in one bulk. We have integration between Zenler and many of softwares. We have a lot. Quizzes and surveys, and this will save you a cost of having another software like SurveyMonkey, for example. We have email automation. You can send a lot of emails in sequence to your students and your leads. You have up to 10 admins. If you compare that to other learning management systems, they have only 2, 5, and 5. Advanced pricing options. You can have more than payment method. We have affiliates. Multiple site. You have up to 3 custom domains. So you can build 3 sites under one account. Each site has its own category. One site, for example, will be for soft skills. The other one will be, for example, for your IT courses, and so on. Course migration. The good thing here that you can migrate from other learning management system to Zenler, which is not available in all the other competitors here. Communities and discussion available mainly in Zenler and Teachable, as you see. Regarding tax, which is required in some countries, free trial. We have free trial here if you register from the link that below my video. Number of students, unlimited. If you compare that to Kajabi, for example, up to 10,000 only. Certificates, you will have it in the site. You have support, online support 5-star. They respond very quickly. Coupons, bundles, and membership. The only cons that I can see till now is the mobile applications. Zenler till now doesn't have mobile application on Android and iPhone. You can custom domain, the webhooks for the HTML, and you have also the templates and custom blocks, which is very easy to build. Email domain authentication, so you will have your own email under your domain name. So when you send the email, it will give more credibility for your emails. All of this with how much? $647 per year. If you compare that to Thinkfic, $948 per year, and Teachable is $1,188. Kajabi is $1,908. So we can see the competitive price here. The last part will be the comparison between the 2 plans inside Zenler. We have the Pro and Premium. The Pro with $647 per year. We will see here, no transaction fees, not like other learning management system. For example, if students paid, they must take from you a percentage. You have unlimited courses, unlimited students. You have 25,000 leads and 100,000 email per month. These 100,000 emails are shared between the 3 sites that you have. You have active 100 marketing funnels. You have 3 sites in the Pro. On the other hand, you have 10 sites in the on the Premium. You have live class, interactive webinar, and live stream. You have 10 site admin. In the Premium, you have 20 site admin. We have 20 instructor in the Pro. On the Premium, you have 100 instructor. 10 assistants in the Pro, 50 assistants in the Premium. 10 support in the Pro, 50 support in the premium, 3 custom domain as we said. On the premium you have 10 custom domains. The rest are common between them, like Coupon Advanced or Advanced Page HTML or Page Editor Design Blocks, the quiz, the assignment, the blog, the support, importing and exporting users, bulk enrollments, drip schedule if you want to publish your course every 1 day or every 3 days like that, so it will not be in one shot. Automation in common between them. The extra in premium will be the custom roles and single sign-on API. The good thing is that if you pay $647 per year, next renewal you will pay the same, even if the price increased. That is amazing. I hope by this you have better idea about New Zenler and how it will be very beneficial for you and what benefits you can get from New Zenler. And I recommended that you can use the link below to register for free, no credit card required. Also, don't forget your bonus. If you buy from the affiliate link below the video, you will get from me one-to-one free session on Zoom on how to build your site, marketing funnels, and the email broadcasting. Thank you for watching. Bye.